a practical coaching guide to learning to drive and passing the test building. Confidence, awareness, and safe driving skills for life. Learning to drive is one of the most important skills many of us will ever develop. It represents freedom, independence, opportunity, and confidence. Yet for many beginners, especially mature learners or those new to driving in the United Kingdom, the experience can also feel intimidating, confusing, and at times overwhelming. Over the years, I realized that many learner driver books focus heavily on rules and technical information, but often miss something equally important: real-world driving awareness. After more than 50 years of driving without an accident, I came to understand that safe driving is not simply about controlling a vehicle. It is about observation, patience, anticipation, and learning to recognize danger before it develops. This book has been written in plain English to help beginners understand not only how to operate a car, but also how to think safely and confidently on real roads surrounded by real drivers. Inside this guide, you will learn the basics of driving a car, how the UK road system works, how to approach junctions and roundabouts safely, how to deal with nerves and pressure, common mistakes many drivers make, hazard awareness and defensive driving, and practical real-world tips that can help you stay safe long after passing your test. This is not intended to replace professional driving instruction. Instead, it is designed to work alongside lessons by helping learners better understand what they see, feel, and experience on the road. Whether you are a complete beginner, a mature learner, someone returning to driving, or a person learning to drive in the UK for the first time, I hope this guide helps make your journey safer, calmer, and more enjoyable. Remember, every experienced driver once sat nervously in the driver's seat for the very first time. The key is not perfection. The key is learning steadily, thinking ahead, and building confidence one journey at a time. The aim is not simply to pass a test. The aim is to become a responsible, thoughtful, and confident driver who remains safe long after the test certificate has been issued. Driving tip: never let impatient drivers rush your learning process. Safe driving is built through calmness, observation, and experience, not pressure. Confidence builder: if you feel nervous while learning to drive, remember, nerves are normal. Even experienced drivers once sat behind the wheel wondering if they would ever feel fully confident. Take your time. Learn steadily and focus on improving a little with every lesson. This is the end of lesson 1. Please re-listen and then continue to part 2, understanding the UK driving system.